Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex banking tasks into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Today, we're diving into how to see your fixed deposit in SBI online for 2025. If you're an SBI customer looking to check your fixed deposits without heading to a branch, you're in the right place. This quick guide will save you time and hassle. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your SBI net banking credentials ready. This is the safest way to access your account details online. Open your web browser and head to the official SBI website at www.onlinesbi.com. Look for the Personal Banking or Login button and click on it. Once you're on the login page, enter your username and password. Don't forget to verify with the CAPTCHA if prompted. For added security, SBI might ask for an OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Go ahead and enter that too. After successful login, you'll land on your dashboard. Now, navigate to the e-Services or Accounts section. Here, look for Term Deposits or Fixed Deposits. Click on that, and you'll see a list of your active fixed deposits. You can view details like maturity date, interest rate, and current value. If you have multiple FDs, use the filters to sort them by date or amount. One important tip: always log out after you're done to keep your account secure, especially on shared devices. And if you're new to online banking, consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. There you have it. That's how you can easily check your fixed deposits in SBI online for 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.